Hey guys, Dr. Brennan here. We are going to continue talking about disc bulges, and today we're going to talk about a few things that you should not do if you have a hot low back or a hurt low back or acute pain, radiation down the legs. All right, so when we do have a disc that's pushing on our nerve, one of the things our body tells us to do is we don't like to go into a painful position, all right? And so what I mean by that is when we bend forward, we actually get some relief. But like I talked about in a previous video, if we bend forward, we're opening up those canals on the backside and we can make some low back pain actually worse. So the big don't here is don't bend down to stretch, okay? So a lot of people, they're standing like this, they bend down because they feel this really big pull and stretch right down at the base of their back, and they think that that's relieving some of that pain, and it can temporarily. But when they go to stand up, they again feel stuck and they kind of have to walk up the legs, or they have to take a few steps to figure out how to get all the way upright. So don't number one, don't stretch. It's actually not helping most low back pain, all right? The other thing that should be fairly self-explanatory, but just in case, we can't be bending down to pick up anything heavy off the floor, all right? Especially with a twist. So if we bend forward, we're opening that canal, and it shows forward flexion and rotation. So a forward bend and a twist to pick something up leads to a large chunk of our disc bulges and herniations, all right? And so we wanna just make sure we stay strong through our core, bend down through our hips and our knees. So don't number two, don't bend down and pick up something heavy from the ground. You're making yourself very vulnerable and you can make your symptoms worse. Don't number three we're gonna talk about is how to sleep. So hold on one sec. All right, don't number three. Don't number three is in regards to the way we sleep. All right, a lot of us curl up in this tiny little ball, or we plop one leg over the other. And so I'm here to tell you that when we're sleeping on our side, and if you sleep with one leg hiked way up and then down on the bed, you can see how much that just rotated my low back. Don't number three is sleep like this. Do not sleep like this. So we wanna bring our knees together, get a pillow between our knees, and make sure our spine is nice and straight. That way, we don't sleep in this flex position all night long, which again, will lead to a rough morning. And our last don't number four is how to get up off of your couch, out of your bed, or off the floor. A lot of people will lay on our back, and we will try and grab a hold of something, and we curl up. And what are we doing? I know it's the theme of the video here. We're flexing our spine, we're gonna make that disc poke out backwards, and it's gonna hurt. And that's why we curl up, we hurt, and then we go to stand, and we're in this same position, because now we have to try and find a way to stand up straight, all right? A little bonus part of the video is to show you how to get up. Don't curl up, we wanna go to our side, and we want to use gravity as we push one hand into our couch or our bed, and we let our feet come up, keeping our spine nice and straight. There's a little bonus on our don't videos of what not to do with low back pain. Take care, guys. Bye.